So we are in Westchester County. What's the name of this town? Pound Ridge, New York. Ward Pound Ridge Reservation. We're on the looking for the Leatherman's cave. The Leatherman was an eccentric, what?
Kind of like a hermit, a recluse.
A recluse from the
1839 to 1889.
All right. And he would make a 300 and some odd mile loop from Connecticut, western Connecticut, to New York to the Hudson River. And he would do the same loop, like a 350-mile loop, a few times a year, right? Every month.
Every 34 to 36 days, they say. People along his trail would know that he was scheduled to come within 34 to 36 days, and they'd anticipate his arrival, leave food out for him.
Pretty interesting. So we're going to try to find one of the caves that he slept in. That's the plan anyway, unless we're chased out by these mosquitoes beforehand. 159 years ago, right, the Leatherman started walking along this trail, and pretty interesting when you think about it, right? What must it have been like back then? And he found his way every year.
Yep.
And there's a cave somewhere up here where he would sleep. So it's pretty interesting to see if we can find that, to just get a feel for what it must have been like. I'm sure it was really harsh in the dead of winter, right?
Yeah, I'm sure this nice carved out trail was in here for him.
That's for sure.
Yeah, we were reading up on him, and it said that he sometimes got frostbite on his face from his walk in the harsh weather. One of the things it mentioned in the write-up about him was that, unlike the other vagabonds of the time, he never lost any of his limbs or digits from frostbite. So somehow he was able to protect himself from the elements.
Maybe the homemade suit of leather clothing helped a lot. Yeah, he was known for wearing a homemade leather outfit, right? From hat to shirt to jacket to shoes to pants, everything made out of leather that he stitched together himself.
Yeah.
I'll put a photo up so you guys can see what he actually looked like. But so there was a description of a supply list that a store had.
Yeah, I'm having trouble pulling it up, but I recall one of the items there was a pie. There's still a store record of an order he placed one day in the 1800s along his route in these parts, and he ordered a pie, it said, and a loaf of bread and a number of other items. And in addition to that, sometimes, I guess very often, the local people would leave food out for him, knowing that he'd be on his way and coming through their town every 34 to 36 days.
Became a fixture, huh? For the something that people looked forward to.
This is kind of fun. We're like,
ooh, snake. See it?
Yeah.
Hey, little guy. Little garden snake. Gave me a little scare, though.
I'm sure the Leatherman encountered his share of snakes when he came through here. We were reading about him, and it said that he had some type of a mental breakdown or a broken heart or something, where he somehow stopped talking to everyone. He only communicated in grunts and you know, one syllable sounds, I guess. And nobody was really ever known to have a conversation with him. And sometimes people would ask him about his origins, and he would immediately demand that they change the subject.
Painful memories, probably.
Yeah.
All right. So the map said it's about 1.6 or something miles from the trail we were just on. So we're just taking this little detour here, and we'll bring you back when we get there. This is it. It's a bit of a climb to get up here. You going in? Oh, it's cold in there. Can't really see much. Have a look.
Wow.
Here, bear.
Oh. So, I don't know how much you can see on this video, but this is about a 8-foot wide area that you have shelter underneath this gigantic overhanging rock. It's about 8 feet wide, about 5 to 6 feet high, and about 15 feet from entrance to the back of the cave. So there'd be plenty of room here for somebody to get shelter if they were out in bad weather and needed a place to take a rest or have a meal. Amazing.
It's full of mosquitoes now, though. My flashlight out.
Yeah, I have the flashlight on my phone. Do you want to do it? Want me to go in there?
So, about 2 years ago, you remember we had the durian fruit over at my house?
Yeah.
That's become like one of my most popular videos.
Yeah.
But I got a lot of negative comments from it because apparently it's some national fruit in Asia. And I got like all of Southeast Asia angry at us, because we didn't really care for it. So I thought, we'd give it another go and try some different exotic fruits.
Piss off the rest of the world.
Yeah, right. So I got a bag of goodies from the Asian market. So I thought we'd give it a try. Some of these you may know. I haven't seen or had any of them before. But start off, I got these Cape gooseberries. I've never seen these before, actually. Everything is washed except for these. So here you go.
I take it we have to peel it?
Yeah, so...
Oh, wow.
See what's inside? There's the berry, I guess. Wow. I don't know if there's any kind of seed or something in there. I would imagine not, but down the hatch.
Salute. Delicious.
Got a hint of lemon.
Wow, that's really good.
Try another one.
A little sweet and a little tart.
Sweet and tart, yeah. Cape Goose Goldenberry. What is it? Physalis peruviana.
Ah, Physalis peruviana.
Remove, discard the husk, and enjoy this nutritious superfood.
Oh, this one's got like mold on it.
Oh, don't eat that one then. Save that one for the bears. Fella, help yourself. So I'd say this one's a hit. I like that.
I love these.
We'll put these aside for now. We can finish them. But let's move on to some of these other delicacies. Now, you know what a kiwi is, right? This is a golden kiwi. So it's not green. It's yellow inside. So kind of looks like a yellow kiwi. Just give it I guess a squeeze, right? Ready?
Fantastic.
That's sweet. Oh, that's good.
Wow. I love it.
You ever had that before?
Wow.
I made short work of that. That was good. I'd have that again.
Mm-mm.
Well, this is a loquat.
What do we do with it?
I think there's pits inside, so we'll have to cut it. Oh yeah.
Wow.
There's pits. Oops.
Where is this from? This fruit?
Haven't the foggiest. There you go. Hold it on.
We eat the
I
skin?
think you could eat the skin. It's a big pit. Looks like a cocoa bean or something. Well, it's juicy. My hand's getting wet. Sorry. Ready? Loquat. That's a tart one.
Oh yeah, very tart. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it.
I don't like the skin.
No? It's tough?
Yeah. I don't mind it though.
Yeah, me neither.
Well, I got another one here. I carried these for 5 miles on the trail, so.
How do you spell loquat?
Loquat. Did you eat the skin?
No. Let me try it. It's okay.
It's okay?
A little tough.
I don't like it. I don't like the skin. But I like the fruit. Loquat. It's a little sweeter than the last one.
Yeah, it is. It's enjoyable. I bet it would be good cold.
Yeah.
Boy, after walking 5 miles.
It tastes really good.
Everything tastes so good. Anything else?
Oh yeah. Dragon fruit. Have no idea about this one.
Wow. Oh my God. Holy smoke. What does it smell like?
Nothing?
Huh. How are we going to eat this?
No idea. Peel it, I guess. I guess it just.
Maybe slice it up into chunks? Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Eat it like an apple slice.
Here, let's see. Oh, look, the peel comes off very easily.
Wow.
Dragon fruit.
Unbelievable.
Tastes more like a vegetable, like a raw potato.
Doesn't have much flavor.
No. It's not terrible.
I thought it would have like a gritty, seedy feel to it, but it doesn't. These black things really don't have much
No.
hardness to it.
No presence.
Huh. How easily it peels.
Another piece.
Never seen a fruit peel more.
Right? Not bad. I don't know if I'd buy it again, but it's not terrible.
So far, I think these are my favorite, these berries.
Well,
Very good.
I have one more. Now, I'm going to need help with this one because I have absolutely no idea what it is, what it's called. The sign was in Chinese, so it could be a vegetable for all I know. Kind of like a squash. Ugh. Mystery fruit. No smell. It's not the easiest thing to cut through.
smell. Not the most pleasant smell. I don't think I'm going to like this.
Ready? Oh, it's a melon. An unripe melon.
Tastes a little unripe.
All right. I wouldn't buy this again either.
Yeah.
Okay, this is yours.
Yeah, that's okay. No offense.
Want more of this? How about more melon?
Yeah. Gee, thanks. Not the worst thing in the world.
No. You sure you don't want this? Kind of grows on you.
Compared to this, it's delicious.
Well, we'll finish our berries. So we had a nice hike today. Saw the Leatherman's cave, Leatherman's cave, not the Leatherman multi-tool, but the Leatherman. Ended up here, had a nice lunch of what did we have? Beef stroganoff, and sampled some exotic fruits. Doesn't get any better than this.
No.
Right? Well,
Nice way to spend a Saturday.
see you guys all next time.